like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cold shake southern, yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these BT21 Lollipop Squishies. To begin, I printed out these BT21 characters and I cut them out so I can trace them. I'm going to trace these onto memory foam with a Sharpie. I bought my memory foam from Amazon, but feel free to use whatever sponge you have laying around in your house. For this video, I'm only going to make Chimmy, Tata, and Mang, but you can make whatever characters you want to. I'm actually making several of these and giving them away for free on my online store if you buy a plushie. So after you have everything traced out, you can go ahead and cut them out. Make sure you're cutting straight and not at an angle, because if you do, one side will be lopsided. The foam was too thick for me, so I did end up cutting the width a little. And afterwards, I'm going to round off the edges on both sides. Next, I'm going to create a hole on the bottom of each Lollipop squishy. I have some wooden dowels that a fan gifted me, and I also bought some from the dollar store. And I'm going to be using these as the Lollipop stick. I'm going to be securing these Lollipop sticks with puppy paint so they don't fall out. You can also choose to glue it down with regular glue. And for the first layer, I'm going to paint it with the main color of the character. You're going to want to paint at least 3 layers if you want your squishies to be slow rising. I stuck all the lollipops on a piece of styrofoam to let them dry. If you don't have styrofoam laying around in your house, a little tip is to just tape the lollipop squishy on the edge of your desk. Now moving on to the hardest part, which is painting the details. At least for me it is, because I'm not great at drawing. Right now I'm painting Chimmy's ears and face. And there's the finished Chimmy squishy. Honestly, it turned out way better than I thought it would. Next I'm going to paint the details for Tata. This one was the easiest to draw. And finally, I'm going to paint the details for Mang. I'm not gonna lie, some of these did turn out pretty wonky. This step is optional, but for a final touch, you can choose to wrap it with clear packaging. My clear packaging is from Daiso, which is a Japanese dollar store. And yeah, there you have it, your finished BT21 Lollipop Squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope that you guys tried this out. And for a quick shameless plug, I am giving away these squishies for free if you order a plushie on my Etsy. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't